Phoenix, I'm 9. Today we're going to be making the easiest mac and cheese ever. All you need is a microwave and a few ingredients. You'll need half a cup of macaroni, some cheeses. I'm using cheddar, cream cheese, and Parmesan cheese. You'll also need some pepper, salt, milk, water, and a mug. I have my name on it, see? And also a spoon. First, we're going to add the half cup of water and half cup of macaroni to our mug and put a little bit of salt in. Then we're just going to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. After that's done, we're going to stir it a little bit, just like that. Just be aware that it will probably be a bit hot, and also watch it while it's in the microwave because it might spill. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of milk in. Our cheese is in, which should roughly amount to half a cup, which is the same amount as our macaroni. So this is 1 tablespoon each. And then we're going to add some salt, some pepper. We're going to stir it a bit, then put it in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Just took it out of the microwave. Look how delicious that looks. Then we're just going to stir it a bit. Just going to stir. Then we can dig in. That's delicious. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'd also appreciate it if you could share it with friends and family.